Hello everyone, welcome to session 27 of Software Testing Made Easy course. In this session, we are going to continue with the live project, that is part 20 of the Independent Software Testing Live project, where I am going to show you how to take screenshots and attach them in the defects that we report. So let's get started. In the previous session guys, we have tested two test cases and one test case was failing. For that particular failed test case, we have reported a defect in the bug tracking tool and provided the details of that particular defect here, right? This is what we have done in the previous session. Now, after that, what I did is I continued executing the test cases. Okay, just to save your time, I just continued executing the test cases and most of the test cases were passing. So the things were like going on like this, and there came a test case like what is this number? 11th test case, guys. This was failing again. Okay, again after the second test case, 11th test case was failing. So what is the reason why this particular test case is failing? This test case is about registering an account by providing an invalid phone number. Let me show you guys what's happening. So in this application, this live project application, so what I am doing is I am trying to register an account. While registering an account, in the telephone field, I gave some invalid telephone. Okay, ABCDE cannot be a phone number, right? I gave some invalid phone number here, like A, some alphabets I gave, and tried to click on continue and clicked on continue. The account is getting created, guys. This field is not getting validated to verify whether the user has given a valid phone number or invalid phone number. That was a defect. Okay, this is a defect, guys. So, so what I did is I just failed this particular test case here, and I'm about to report the defect also for this because instead of warning message, the account is getting created with the given invalid phone number, guys. This is what is happening in the actual result. Fine. So here test case failed due to the defect. We have to provide the defect after reporting the defect in the bug tracking tool. Let me take you to that particular defect tracking tool, bug tracking tool, where we are going to report the defect. And just to save the time, guys, I already written the title of the defect, that is user is able to register an account by providing an invalid phone number, and also have written the steps to reproduce all this stuff I have written. So here, as you can see, in one of the step I have written enter invalid phone number, say ABCD, into the telephone field. Okay, and expected result is warning message should be displayed informing the user about the invalid phone number. But what's happening actually, warning message is not getting displayed. Instead, user account is getting created with the invalid phone number. So this is what is happening. And remaining fields also I already filled up, guys, because I already explained how to report a defect in the previous session itself. So this session is all about taking the screenshot and attaching in the defect report. So here, guys, we need to attach the screenshot. So what exactly is screenshot? What exactly is screenshot? How can we attach that? Let me practically show you, guys. So for this, what we have to do is we have to install a tool, guys. Okay, we have to install a tool. Let me show you what tool we have to install. So there are several tools in the market, guys, for taking the screenshots. And one of the freely available tool which is very good in the market is nothing but Lightshot. Okay, just search for Lightshot in the Google. You'll be taken to this particular page, app.printscreen.com Lightshot. Click on this, and my machine is like Windows machine, so I'll download this Lightshot for Windows. Click on that. You see an AXE file is getting downloaded. It's very simple, guys. Okay, very lightweight kind of tool you can use for taking the screenshot. So in some time you will understand what exactly the screenshot is, how this particular tool will help you in taking the screenshots. Okay, so here double click on this exe file, just click on S, the installation, yeah, just select OK, accept the license agreement and say next. The tool will be installed. Click on finish. So it got installed, guys. Lightshot was installed, done. So some browser page is also getting opened after getting installed. So let me close everything. That's not required. So as you can see here, somewhere here, some icon is getting added, guys. You see after installing the Lightshot, this the symbol, you see the same Lightshot symbol is getting added here, right? I'll close this. I'll close this. What is the screenshot I have to take in this case? For this particular defect, what screenshot I have to take? The screenshot showing this particular invalid text in the that invalid phone number should be taken, right? So I'll go to this particular screen where this particular text is available, like invalid text, invalid phone number is given in the telephone field, right? I would just want to capture this screenshot. So for that, click on this icon, guys, which got added to your tray. Click here. You see, suddenly everything got grayed out. So select the area from where you need to take the screenshot till where, and like this you can do, and stop it. Once you stop it, you see this is a selected area. Now just select this box, rectangle box. This is all the functionality of the light shot, guys. Okay, which is helping us in taking the screenshot. So I'm not only taking the screenshot, this is a screenshot I am taking, but also I can actually mark something on this page. You see, I can mark something like this. So after this, I would like to take this arrow and drag something like this, and then again another box. I will take it here, and I will take this text. I'll click here and say that telephone field is accepting. What is accepting, guys? Invalid, invalid phone number, invalid phone numbers. Say A, B, C, D, E. Okay, like this. Like this, you can write some text, guys. Okay, you can see. So we have represented. Now we have to save the screenshot, whatever we have taken with the help of the light shot tool. So there's a save button here. Click on this. I am saving it on my desktop. I'll give a proper name for the screenshot, guys. Say invalid phone number. Okay, register account. Somehow I'm just managing to give a proper name. Invalid phone number, or if it is a telephone, right? So we can give a proper thing like invalid telephone register account. Okay, like this. Save this. A screenshot will be. You see, a screenshot got saved on your desktop. You can go here and see. This is a screenshot. Invalid telephone register account. There is a screenshot, guys. You can open it. So just wait for the screenshot to load here on my system. So generally my system takes some time to load the images. That's fine. So let it appear. Yeah, it's appearing, guys. Just wait. You see, this is the screenshot we have taken, right? We have also marked the details like to point out exactly what is the problem in this particular defect, right? This is the problem. We explained the defect in a proper way, guys. Why we have taken a screenshot in this particular defect? We explained the problem. Why we have reported the defect? There is a problem in the application, right? That problem we have explained it properly with the help of the screenshot. Now this screenshot will attach to our bug report. So this is a bug report, guys, which is not yet submitted. So here we need to attach that particular screenshot, which is like a JPG or PNG file, right? Just click on that. Let's see what is the extension also. See what is this extension, guys? This is PNG file. Okay. Just select that screenshot, whatever you have taken and saved on your desktop, and attach this to your bug report. You see, this time to this particular defect, I have attached the screenshot also. Now the developer will go through the title, he'll go through the steps to reproduce, expected result, actual result, he'll understand. But after looking at the screenshot, right, it will be very clear like what exactly the type of invalid phone number we have given, right? We'll understand that. So now, you see here, let me prove that this particular application is taking this invalid phone number while registering an account. Let me prove that. Here you see invalid phone number is there, ABCD. Click on continue, you see. So email ID already is. I'll give some other email address, guys. Let's say 35. Let's see. Still telephone number is invalid. Continue. You see, account is getting created, guys. Account is getting created. This should not happen, right? It should give a proper warning message saying that user has. You have to give a proper phone number or telephone number. Some warning message you should give. But instead, account is getting created. You're able to log in also, right? Automatically. So that's the problem, guys. So like this, we can provide the screenshots. Okay, like this, we can provide the screenshots to make it easy for the developer to understand what exactly is the problem. So click on add. So the moment I clicked on add, you see the second defect got created. So you see there are two defects here, right? First defect, second defect, I2, I3. There are two defects created. Fine. Okay. Mm, fine. We have reported the defect, and now we need to do what? We need to give this number here, the defect ID number that got generated for this particular defect we have to provide in the test case. So we are done. So one more thing left, guys. So here, why do we take screenshots? What is the purpose of taking the screenshots? using one of the tools. There are several screenshot tools, guys. Okay, this light shot is one of them. Whatever the tool I explained is one of them, guys. There are several tools. Some people actually use a normal paint also. Okay, in their system by default a paint application will come, right? We can even use that as a screenshot taking tool. You see, what I will do is here I'll go and then click on print screen. So maybe this is getting activated, guys. So this tool is getting activated. That's fine. If this particular tool is not there, then you can actually print screen and then open paint and say control V. So you'll get that screenshot, guys. Okay, if this particular tool is not installed, you'll by default you will get the you can actually click print screen key on your keyboard, and that screen will be captured, and then you can go to the paint and then paste control V, so you'll get the screenshot. Okay, so like that by default also we can use, but by using this kind of tools, right, this will make our job easy because we can edit the screenshots in a better way. Like you can mark the screenshots, you can put the arrows, you can write the comments, so that developer can easily understand what the problem is. So we can add more details into the screenshot. That's what I say. Fine. So guys, that's all about the screenshots, and one more thing here is in this example, guys, in this session, the reason why we have taken the screenshot is to explain in a better way, to explain the problem to the developer in a better way. Uh, to explain the problem to the developer in a better way, we have taken the screenshot using this slideshot tool. But in some cases, guys, most of the cases we'll take the screenshot as a proof, guys. For example, here let's say as a proof, one of the example for as a proof, guys, you see here all the mandatory fields like first name, last name, email, telephone, password, password can everything, every mandatory field is provided with the asterisk symbol. So if I don't provide any fields and click on continue, guys, even privacy policy is also requested, but privacy policy is not mentioned anywhere with the asterisk symbol, right? As you can see here, privacy policy is not mentioned with the asterisk. If I have to report this defect, okay, if I have to report this defect that some asterisk symbol is missing here, what I have to do? So I'll take a screenshot here, guys. Again, same light shot tool I will use. And here I'll put I'll drag it like this, and then I will put a square box here for this field, and put an arrow. Again, one more text box here, text field. I'll type text here saying that asterisk symbol representing mandatory field is missing here. Okay, for all the mandatory fields there are asterisk symbols, guys, but this is also mandatory. Privacy policy is also mandatory, and there is no asterisk symbol. So this is as a proof, right? Here you see as a proof there is no asterisk symbol, you are proving it. So such kind of screenshots also will take and attach to the, okay, and attach to the bug reports, guys. Suppose if I report one more bug here saying that asterisk symbol is missing for the privacy policy, in that particular defect, I'll be taking the screenshot and attaching as a proof, guys. The purpose here is as a proof. In the previous bug, just now the before bug I explained, right? There I was explaining the problem in a detailed manner. So there are several ways why we take the screenshots, guys. There are several purposes why we take the screenshots and attach them into the defect reports. One may be like to explain the problem in a better way. So some other thing may be like as a proof, okay, that asterisk symbol is missing. As a proof, he can provide that. Tomorrow no one should claim that asterisk symbol was there from earlier. When you show them the screenshot, right, that asterisk symbol is missing in that screenshot. So no one can do that, right? Once you put that particular screenshot as a proof, no one can say that asterisk symbol is actually there from the long time. So that won't be there. So as a proof you can do that, and also to explain in a better way, you can take the screenshot and attach them in the defects, the way I showed you in the session. In this session, I showed you how to attach the screenshot to the defects. So hope guys you understood how to take the screenshots as a proof or as a way of explaining the problem in a better way in this session. So we'll go through few more things regarding this independent software testing live project in the next coming sessions. See you in the next sessions, guys. Thank you. Bye.